Hi, I'm Betty Crocker.
I'm Martha Stewart.
And we're gonna make Pepsi.
Coke.
Wait, what?
Pepsi.
Then Pepsi float
With vanilla ice cream.
Be quiet. Okay, first.
First we need a stick of dynamite.
No, that's for next week.
Second.
Next week.
Crack.
Oh snap. Okay. Beautiful. Okay.
We need a major spoon.
Oh.
It's big.
Be quiet. Snipe you. I'll do it.
I thought this was for little kids. You shouldn't be using a blender.
That's what I have to say to little kids. You shouldn't even be on YouTube. Get off. Get off.
You just flung
Oh, be quiet.
vanilla
I'm
ice
tired of your
cream.
logic. I'm tired of your logic. Beware, I have some ice cream and a large spoon. Don't.
Jungle!
Holy shiitake mushrooms. Shane.
I thought it was Martha Stewart.
Fine, you're Martha Stewart again.
Yay!
But I'm still Betty Crocker.
We just graduated first grade and started in the black before.
Okay.
And more ice cream. Fun!
Okay. Oh, you didn't screw it in. Dang! Screw it in. Here one day. I'm gonna screw you when you don't even know it.
I know where you live.
I know where you hide.
Oh, jeez.
Hide in your brother's room.
Dang it!
And you find him making out with his plush toys. And yes, remember people, it's X Dark Green. No, that kid's weird. That kid has problems, and that's Martha Stewart's brother.
He's gay.
No. He just comes from a planet where it's okay to make out with guys.
Okay.
I'm just saying this for the kids. If they didn't get off YouTube yet.
YouTube.